Anacardium oriental, Allen's keynotes, marking nut, family Anacardiaceae. Sudden loss of memory, everything seems to be in a dream. Patient is greatly troubled about his forgetfulness, confused, unfit for business, disposed to be malicious, seems bent on wickedness, irresistible desire to curse and swear, lack of confidence in himself and others, feels as though he had two wills, one commanding him to do what the other forbids. When walking is anxious, as if someone were pursuing him, suspects everything around him, weakness of all the senses. Hypochondriac with hemorrhoids and constipation, strange temper, laughs at serious matters and is serious over laughable things. Thinks herself a demon, curses and swears. Sensation as of a hoop or band around a part, or as a dull, blunt instrument pressing as of a plug in inner parts. Headache relieved entirely when eating, when lying down in bed at night, and when about falling asleep. Worse during motion and work. Gastric and nervous headaches of sedentary persons. Apt to choke when eating and drinking. Swallows food and drink hastily. Symptoms disappear while eating. Caliphos sorinum. Stomach. Sensation of fasting all gone. Comes on only when stomach is empty and is relieved by eating. Relieved during process of digestion. Warts on palms of hands. Natrum. Great desire for stool, but with the effort the desire passes away without evacuation. Rectum seems powerless, paralyzed, with sensation as if plugged up. Relations compare Rustox. Symptoms are prone to go from right to left. Anacardium follows well after Lycopodium and pulsatilla. Anacardium follows and is followed by Platina. Anacardium from Boric Materia Medica, marking nut. The anacardium patient is found mostly among the neurasthenics. Such have a type of nervous dyspepsia relieved by food, impaired memory, depression and irritability, diminution of senses, smell, sight, hearing. Syphilitic patients often suffer with these conditions: intermittency of symptoms, fear of examination in students, weakening of all senses, sight, hearing, etc. Aversion to work, lack self-confidence, irresistible desire to swear and curse, sensation of a plug in various parts, eyes, rectum, bladder, also of a band. Empty filling in stomach, eating temporarily relieves all discomfort. This is a sure indication, often verified. Its keen symptoms are similar to rust and it has proved a valuable antidote to poison oak. Mind, fixed ideas, hallucinations, thinks he is possessed of two persons or wills. Anxiety when walking and if pursued, profound melancholy and hypochondriasis with tendency to use violent language, brain fag, impaired memory, absent-mindedness, very easily offended, malicious, seems bent on wickedness, lack of confidence in himself or others, suspicious, clairaudient, hears voices far away or of the dead, senile dementia, absence of all moral restraint. Head, vertigo, pressing pain as from a plug, worse after mental exertion in forehead, occiput, temples, vertex, better during a meal, itching and little boils on scalp. Eyes, pressure like a plug on upper orbit, indistinct vision, objects appear too far off. Ears, pressing in the ears as from a plug, hard of hearing. Nose, frequent sneezing, sense of smell perverted, coryza with palpitations, especially in the aged. Face, blue rings around eyes, face pale. Mouth, painful vesicles, fetid odor, tongue feels swollen, impeding speech and motion with saliva in mouth, burning around lips as from pepper. stomach, weak digestion with fullness and distension, empty filling in stomach, eructation, nausea, vomiting. Eating relieves the anacardium dyspepsia. Apt to choke when eating or drinking, swallows food and drinks hastily. Abdomen, pains as if dull plug were pressed into intestines, rumbling, pinching and gripping. Rectum, bowels inactive, ineffectual desire, rectum seems powerless as if plugged up, spasmodic constriction of sphincter ani, even soft stool passes with difficulty, itching at anus, moisture from rectum, hemorrhage during stool, painful hemorrhoids. Male, voluptuous itching, increased desire, seminal emissions without dreams, prostatic discharge during stool. Female, leukorrhea with soreness and itching, menses scanty. Respiratory, pressure in chest as from a dull plug, oppression of chest with internal heat and anxiety, driving him into open air, cough excited by talking in children after fit of temper, cough after eating with vomiting of food and pain in occiput. Heart, palpitation with weak memory with coryza in the aged, stitches in heart region, rheumatic pericarditis with double stitches. Back, dull pressure in the shoulders as from a weight, stiffness at nape of neck. Extremities, neuralgia in thumb, paralytic weakness, knees are paralyzed or bandaged, cramps in calves, pressure as from a plug in the glute, warts on palms of hands, fingers swollen with vesicular eruption. Sleep, spells of sleeplessness lasting for several nights, anxious dreams. Skin, intense itching eczema with mental irritability, vesicular eruption, swelling, urticaria eruption like that of poison oak. Lichen planus, neurotic eczema, warts on hands, ulcer formation on forearm. Modalities, worse on application of hot water, better from eating when lying on side from rubbing. Relationship, antidote, coffea, juglans, rus, eucalyptus. Compare Anacardium oriental. Compare Anacardium occidental cashew nut. Platina follows well.